welcome to CoverGirl Cosmetics. Most anti-aging products don't give you the result that you need, and today we're going to launch a new product that's going to give you exactly what you want.
Oh, I feel so old. I want to feel 25 again. You know, have no wrinkles and have beautiful skin.
Of course you can. Why don't you drink from the fountain of youth and feel young again? The reason to why you're feeling old is due to telomeres at the ends of the chromosomes.
What's that?
Let's see.
Telomeres are DNA sequences at the end of chromosomes. Every time the cell replicates, the telomere keeps getting shorter and shorter. Eventually, the cell dies because it needs telomeres to survive since they provide protection.
Telomerase is the enzyme that adds nucleotides to the telomeres. In 1938, Barbara McClintock and Herman Muller worked separately on different organisms and discovered something unique that lies at the ends of chromosomes by using X-rays.
In 1970, using this knowledge, Elizabeth Blackburn discovered that telomeres had a specific DNA sequence which was made up of the nucleotides TTA-GGG.
Oh, I've noticed that the nucleotides at the end of the DNA sequence are composed of a repetition of TTA-GGG. The length of the telomeres is different within one organism, and the fact that many organisms have the same DNA sequence means that it's important. If it is in fact right, then there has to be something that prevents it from shortening and being deleted after cell division.
Jack Shostak and Elizabeth Blackburn met at a conference in 1980 where they decided to work together.
Elizabeth and Jack isolated the nuclei of tetrahymenothymophilia as it contains all the DNA. Then they labeled TNG nucleotides with radioactivity. The tetrahymenothymophilia had a different telomere sequence, TT-GGGG, instead of TTA-GGG.
They mixed the radioactively labeled TNG nucleotides and a single-stranded DNA template that mimics an already existing telomere in a test tube. A telomere was produced.
A DNA template is required for DNA polymerase to replicate DNA, so it can't add nucleotides to the ends of the chromosomes without a template.
I think an enzyme is responsible for this. OMG, we've solved the puzzle! An enzyme that is responsible for extending the telomeres. Let's call it Telomerase.
Oh.
Oh, those are some very talented scientists. And this is a very big step towards feminism, as well as 3 of those 4 Nobel Prize recipients were in fact women.
Yeah, and thanks to these scientists, there are many applications for telomere and telomerase.
Like what?
Well, let's take a look and see at the live interview that's taking place right now. Welcome to Interview Night. Today we have scientist Harleen, who's going to discuss societal and economical impacts of telomeres and telomerase.
Oh, thank you. I'm very excited to be here and discuss this very interesting topic.
So, tell me about the new product that your company is researching about currently.
Well, we're coming up with this pill that will stop your telomeres from shortening, which basically means that your cell's never going to die and you're going to be able to live forever.
Live forever? Isn't that unethical? A human staying alive forever? I could think of a few people that I wouldn't want to stay alive forever. The world will be so populated and the resources would eventually run out anyways.
Think about how much money me and my company are going to make out of this.
But what about all the other companies and how people will stop buying their anti-aging products? So this eventually will mean that there's less revenue coming into the economy.
Yeah, anyways, my company is also trying to find by using this research, we're also trying to find a cure for cancer.
How so? Does it have to do with the fact that most normal cells don't require high telomerase activity, so they don't divide as frequently, so that obviously their chromosomes won't shorten as much? But on the other hand, I heard that cancer cells can divide infinitely and without shortening its telomeres.
Exactly. This is because cancer cells have an increased telomerase activity. So by using this knowledge, we can find the cure to cancer if we find out a way to eradicate telomeres, and we can save so many lives.
Don't forget about the fact that you're going to make so much money.
Yes, but at the same time, no one's going to need chemotherapy, and the economy is going to benefit, as they are no longer going to get the money that they would be getting for cancer research.
Oh wow, those are very good points. Thank you, Scientist Harley, for sharing your thoughts today.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video.